How to redeem Old Navy promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Old Navy promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, coupon follow. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Firstly, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get the Old Navy promo code. Here you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. $15 off, 50% off, 40% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code. You can copy it, then you can click on Redeem at Old Navy. You'll be directed to the official website of Old Navy. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will see the option of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount in your purchase. Well, this way you can easily redeem your Old Navy promo code. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.